You do not need more trading wins, you need less losses. Rushing the process will lead you to failure, but a healthy way to do it is by taking the losses that are hurting you off your list, right? The risky internal setups you're taking, trying to force trades, those are absolutely eating your P&L. Now, what you can do to rush the process, and this is what I've done for my situation, is decreasing the trading frequency, going for much better quality setups by also increasing the win rate. And whilst you do that, you also increase the risk by making sure that every single winning trade you have, you either pass an account or make money. I just got a trading win today, which meant that I just passed an account that I bought last week. You have 3 accounts, for example. If you're just starting off, you take trade number 1 on account number 1, trade number 2 on account number 2, trade number 3 on account number 3, and then circle back to account number 1 with a 4th trade. Right? That way, you diversify the losses and you capitalize on the winners. That's what I've been doing with more accounts, obviously, and I haven't blew a challenge in like 2 months whilst going aggressive on accounts that have 6% drawdown, risking 2% on challenges with accounts that have 6% drawdown. Right, so it only takes me 3 losers to lose them, and I've been on a run. I don't take more than 1 to 3 setups a week, because for my strategy there's about 1 to 3 high class setups, trading both EU and GU at the same time, and I've been respecting it. And last month I just got a clean 8R month with about 75% win rate. Once you find a balance between having the patience of the profitable trader and the aggressive side of rushing the process of a dopamine addict, well, you go into the middle and hopefully you start passing accounts real fucking soon. And I'll see you on the other side, brother. Thank you for watching.